Welcome back. We're now going to demonstrate another SMS automation. In particular, we're going to work with Zapier SMS and Google Drive. Now we're going to choose to get an SMS alert every time there's a new file on Google Drive. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click this zap. And when we get to the explanation screen, we're going to click Create this zap. And this time the trigger is going to be a file is added in any folder in Google Drive. So we're now going to click Continue. We're going to then test our account. Once we have verified our test is successful, we're then going to click Save and Continue. We're now going to set up our Google Drive file. We can use the advanced options if we need them. Otherwise, we're going to click Continue. Zapier will verify that you have at least one file in your Google Drive, so we'll then click Fetch and Continue. Our test is successful, so then we'll click Continue. Now that we've created the trigger, we're now going to create the SMS message. We're then going to click Continue. We're going to test our SMS by clicking Test. Once we verify that there's been success, we'll then click Save and Continue. So Zapier is going to test the system by looking at the most recent file that has been added. And we have a message going out to our mobile device through SMS. We're now going to click Continue. And once we're at the test screen, we're going to send the test by SMS. And now our Zap is turned on, so that every time a new file is added to Google Drive, we will then get an SMS message. I'm going to verify the process by looking at the actual text message. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.